So 385 billion shillings is the proposal to go to counties as revenue share. And then there's the extra conditional grants at 44 billion shillings.
Correct.
Foreign finance projects at 33 billion shillings. County industrial parks at 4.7 billion shillings.
Exactly.
Medical equipment scheme at 5.9 billion shillings. County headquarters, 454 million shillings. And some money coming from the judiciary, 108 million shillings. It comes to 429.7 billion. Now, all the others that I've mentioned sound like the national government giving money to the counties to do the national government's work. Why not give counties 429 billion shillings to determine where they want to invest their money?
It is the nature of the law. The law provides. Some of those resources come from development partners, and we negotiate with development partners. Sometimes it is we have to receive the money as national government, because sometimes development partners cannot go and sign 47 agreements. They prefer to sign one agreement with the national government on the understanding that this money will be passed to the counties. So it is just an accounting government procedure that dictates that some of the time we do that. Some of the grants, is exactly what I was telling you.
Yep.
We are providing 5 billion shillings. 4.7 billion, the one you have read,
yep,
will go to the county. In fact, that's a county function. It's not a national government function.
Exactly.
I am supporting the counties to do what they are supposed to do. But I am telling them, I am not giving you extra money, because I have an interest in the county aggregation and industrial park. Because I want to make sure, because sometimes you send the money to a particular county and they go and decide to do something else. They go pay salary, they go for a trip to where, so that we don't want.
They're accountable.
They are accountable.
They
Precisely.
have their own means of accountability.
Precisely.
You should not be determining what they do with the money. Send the money to them. The Senate will discuss the county allocation of revenue
Latif,
and pass it.
That's not how it works.
According to the formula by
Yes.
CRA, the money goes to the counties.
That's not how it works.
Why do you want, Mr. President, the national government to determine what projects are going to be
done
already by functions that are devolved?
We have already agreed in advance. We have already agreed. And by the way, I was here with the chair, Anu Waiguru, and her deputy, the governor of Wajir. Day before yesterday, I think, I was here with them. And they came for us to agree what is the procurement model of that particular exercise. And I told them the county will procure. That every county should procure the county aggregation, how it is going to be built. All we have agreed with them. The same way we agreed on the design of all our Tibet institutions. We have agreed on one design for the county aggregation. For what purpose? Number one, for standardization. Number two, to avoid another architect going to charge Sijui 20 million because they have gone to some place. And so we are approving one generic design. And that is the design that is used everywhere. We have done it with Tibet. It is very successful. Number three, we have also agreed for purposes of accountability how much it's going to cost. We have done a BQ so that somebody does not go and sit somewhere in Kisumu or in Eldoret or in somewhere and say, oh, this thing has cost 600, 700 million. We know the cost. So we have agreed ahead of time. This is going to be the cost. You procure. This is the BQ. This is the design. There is no other cost.
Okay.
Mheshimiwa Rais,